Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My name is Muhammad Said and my program is BS Biochemistry and my ID is 002. Today my presentation topic is supercritical ammonia. First of all, I will discuss supercritical. Supercritical definition and discovery. In 1822, Baron Chancellor discovered supercritical fluids while conducting experiments involving the discontinuities of the sound of a flint's ball in a sealed cannon barrel filled with various fluids at various temperatures. A supercritical fluid is any substance at a temperature and pressure above its critical point where distinct liquid and gas phase do not exist. It can effuse through solids like a gas and dissolve material like a liquid. And then properties of supercritical. There are various parameters to discover the supercritical in which pressure, temperature, solubility, viscosity, diffusivity, and density. Natural occurrence of supercritical. Supercritical fluid can occur in nature, for example, in places like underwater volcanoes, specifically through located deep beneath the ocean's surface. Supercritical water is formed because of the immense pressure due to the depth and the intense heat from the events of the volcano. This water can lead to the formation of crystal used in some jewelries. Banners 680. So I will discuss supercritical ammonia. Introduction of supercritical ammonia. Supercritical ammonia solution provide a suitable environment for the growth of nitride crystals. The resulting growth environment contain a high concentration of ammonia, hydrogen, and nitrogen, along with the low concentration of dissolved, mineralized, and gallium-containing compounds. Ammonothermal growth of nitrides occur at temperature in excess of 800 Kelvin temperature and pressure greater than 150 MPa, and no experimentally verified equation. So, supercritical ammonia. There are various description available for the equilibrium constant of of ammonia decomposition reaction for pressure in excess of 100 MPa to fill the word experimental PVT data was collected for pure ammonia at temperature 700 Kelvin and compared to extrapolated data by applying mixing rules with the separated contribution for polar and non-polar interaction, and EOS was derived for NH3, N2, and H2. Uses of supercritical ammonia. There are various uses of a supercritical ammonia in which and some are following. Ammonia or NH3 has widespread uses in many industrial sectors in one of the most highly produced chemical in the world. Main uses are industrial refrigeration system in a refrigerator, explosives, chemical productions, and more recently in carbon dioxide capture technology. And and other uses of supercritical ammonia. Although liquid ammonia has been the subject of numerous investigations, both using experimental X-rays, neutron scattering, infrared Raman scattering, nonlinear transit spectroscopy, theoretical simulation, detailed understanding molecular structure of supercritical ammonia is still lacking. Uses of liquefied supercritical ammonia. This the subcritical extraction method of solvent with liquefied ammonia, tea leaves is inserted into container. Inner pressure is 0.08 MPa and after 30 to 120 or 2 hours, the temperature is 0.8 to 1.5 MP. Extraction separated and extracted tea leaves. Container inner pressure is reduced 0.08 MPa. Carry out container temperature 60 to 150 m, and extraction temperature is 120 to 40, and pressure is 0.8 MPa to 1.5 MPa. And other uses of liquefied supercritical ammonia, the subcritical extraction method of solvent with liquefied ammonia. It is characterized in that tobacco leaf is inserted into a container and inner pressure is 0.08, and extraction time is half an hour to 2 hours, and temperature 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, and pressure is 0.8 to 1.5 MPa. For soybean, flakes is inserted into the container and pressure is 0.08, and temperature 1 hour to 2 hour time, and temperature is 20 to 40 MP, and degree Celsius, and the pressure is 0.8 to 1.5 MPa. Why we use supercritical ammonia? Supercritical ammonia are used as a solvent and extraction media used to because of their zero surface tension and good solvent properties. Very little has been reported on the use of supercritical ammonia as a solvent or extraction. Effect on bumper pulping advantages. We investigated the effects of supercritical ammonia on pulping of bumper in preliminary study using testers such as a differential scanning, DSC scanning, electron microscopy, SEM, X-ray diffraction, and energy dispersive spectroscopy. The result indicate that under supercritical conditions 185 to 190 degrees Celsius, it is possible for ammonia to realize bumper pulping. Advantages: the rather low critical temperature and the relatively high density at critical point are further advantages. Ammonia is more expensive, cannot be released into the air, and more toxic than carbon dioxide. So, conclusion of supercritical ammonia. Supercritical fluid are the stepping stone to a more modern technology which is environmental environmentally being, as well as give better result than what is being traditionally used in the chemical industries. Through a lot of search is still being carried out, there are few promising avenues opened up due to the use of supercritical fluids. For example, in extraction, supercritical fluid are being used with great success. It is being developed as a dyeing, impregnation, trans, uh, transactification, refrigerant, and chromatography. In particular, we found a well-defined local order in liquid ammonia that is mainly governed by intermolecular hydrogen bond is strongly attenuated in supercritical ammonia domain. Detailed analysis of MD simulation results are still in progress to provide more quantitative insight the relative importance of hydrogen bonding versus non-hydrogen bonding interaction that govern the structure of supercritical ammonia. That's all from my side. Thank you.